The golden burial mask of King Tutankhamen, one of ancient Egypt's most famous artifacts, was put back Wednesday on display at the Egyptian Museum after 8 weeks of restoration by an Egyptian-German team. "Thanks God, it is done," German conservator Christian Ekman, who oversaw the restoration works, told reporters during a press conference at the Egyptian Museum. In January, media reported that the long shiny blue beard of the king was damaged by the museum's cleaning workers and then was glued back on site hastily and unprofessionally in August 2014. According to the reports, dried glue was visible along the joints between the beard and the mask. This led the Egyptian government to seek the help of professional conservators from Germany to restore the priceless relic. The German Ministry of Foreign Affairs donated €50,000 for the restoration process of the mask, which started on October 10. Speaking to reporters, Ekman said the team discovered during the restoration works an internal gold tube which is still stuck in the beard. The tube was used to connect the beard to the mask. This was one of the most challenging procedures to separate this internal tube in order to clean the beard, he added. "We have the pleasure to present the mask in its original glance again," Ekman told reporters. For his part, Egyptian Minister of Antiquities Mamdouh Damadi told reporters that the epoxy was successfully removed without using any chemical solvents. "The mask has gone through an unprecedented comprehensive scientific analysis and laser scanning," adding that the beard was detached from the mask with a very simple mechanical way, the minister said. Tutankhamen, who ascended to the throne at the age of 9 and died at the age of 19, is the world's best-known pharaoh of ancient Egypt.